Hi everybody. In the last video, we started to rebuild science on top of new foundations. The exchange of information, which works for gravity, magnetism, electricity, that's now all general relativity, and quantum mechanics. What we're going to do in this video is to put together the laws of chaos and the laws of physics. They are very, very different. They're not the same. The laws of chaos can only be accessed with the use of computers. So people like Einstein have no access to them, or Schrödinger. He knew there was some missing ingredients that would explain biological life. And you've got to start here. Biology is in here. Page number 3. It says, why have scientists and engineers become so intrigued by chaos? Number 1, it gives us new conceptual tools that have confounded all previous theories. That means physics. Number 2, chaos shows up in physical systems, chemical systems, biological systems, electrical systems, optical systems. It's universal. And if you've got physics, chemistry and biology sitting side by side in the same sentence, you pay attention. So why haven't people paid attention? It's because in this book, cause of action isn't a fundamental force. But now we've replaced all the fundamental forces in physics with the exchange of information. And that information we express in the form of mathematics. In this book, there's only mathematics, nothing else. But now we've changed physics to just being mathematics. That's not a problem. But the laws of chaos are very different from the laws of physics. Laws of physics can all be quantified, measured in terms of energy. But the laws of chaos transcend physical reality and energy. He states it in the book, page 46. He says these features of chaotic systems, are largely independent of the physical, chemical, or biological details of the system under investigation. These laws transcend physical reality. They transcend energy. So importantly, we don't need to consider the second law of thermodynamics. That is a very important thing to understand. So that's how biology escapes the second law of thermodynamics and puts layers and layers and layers of mathematical rules on top of physics. So all the nonsense you hear about the second law of thermodynamics and all the excuses people give about why it's this, why it's that. Nonsense. These laws transcend physical reality. That's an important thing to say. Maybe the most important thing that's been said in a century. So these laws of chaos are just waiting for us to align them with physics, which now we can do and state clearly it's not physics, because the laws of chaos emerge from relationships in between the components of a system. And the relationship cannot be quantified in terms of mathematics or energy. Physics, electrical charge on the electron, can be measured, you can quantify it, state what it's going to do in the future. But laws of chaos don't work like that. They transcend the physical component, and it's just relationships, emergent relationships. That's why you can't see any biology in the periodic table. It's not there. It's waiting to emerge from relationships between components being guided by mathematical rules. That's what chaos is. It sits on top of physics, transcending physical reality in a mathematical realm all of its own. And that's where biology is. Now, biology is complexity, which means self-organizing systems, not just chaotic. So before we go on to do biology in the next video, we need to do the solar system, a self-organizing clock. That's in the next video. We'll see you next time. It's quite a ride. Bye now.